Hey, what's up? So today in this video, we're going to take a look at how to fix your audio not working through your headphones in Adobe Premiere Pro. So say you're working in the video, you got your headphones plugged into the headphone jack, you got a video loaded up, you press play, and you're not hearing nothing from your headphones. It's a very simple fix. What we're going to want to do is go up to Edit, click on Edit, scroll down to Preferences, and all of this stuff will pop up. And from here, we're going to click on Audio. And actually, sorry, we're going to go on audio hardware. And here where it says the default output, if you're getting no sound, it's probably because you're going to have like your speakers checked or something like that. So make sure you change it to your headphones. And I don't think you have to change anything here. I think it does it automatically. But yeah, you got to go to default output, put on headphones, click OK. And then when you play the sound back, it should come through your headphones. Super simple, super easy. It had me going crazy for a while, but I figured that out. So I just wanted to share it with you guys. Hope that helps. And I'll see you guys in the next video. And make sure to subscribe for more videos like this. All right. Thank you. Peace.